All right, so you filming? Are you? Check mic 1, 2. So we're going over, we've been working with this great guy, John Capeller. He's our real estate attorney. Lionel has obviously been driving this boat. That's why he's driving today, literally. This is so exciting. I know it doesn't seem like it. I think it's a lot of nerves, but we're about to go put some ink to paper as brothers, which is the cool thing. You know, like, I'm sure we'll look back on this video and be like, this was our first building of many to build this business of ours. This has been documentation, meeting, negotiation, banks, lawyers, SBA, fees, this, that. I mean, it's been nonstop.
All right, so right now we are waiting on the bank's attorneys to send over loan documents. We're here in the final hour, literally. We have 46 minutes before the wire transfer would need to be made.
Yeah, so basically a lot of drama. The frame looks like it could have been made back in the 17th century. It's layered. First of all, this is a layer, that's a layer, that's a layer, this is a layer. It's all layers.
Our office, you know, hasn't been renovated in 8 years because it wasn't ours, you know?
It means a lot to us, you know, and it's like part of our journey, part of our growth, part of the story is like now we're finally guys that own property. Well, this is the beginning of the rest of our lives.
HB F1, F2.
This is a day that I hope all of us standing in this room remember for years to come, because it was the day that we grew up together and made a landmark historical move. And as Lionel and I always say, we have not done this on our own. This has been a group effort. This is all about this team and the people that work here. The men and the women of Hardie Boys are setting the world on fire. And we are going to do things special. And this is the hallowed ground amongst where we're going to be doing it. All right? So let's do a toast. To Hardie Boys, God bless us all. Here we are on the start of a new beginning. Cheers. Cheers.
It's new and big. It's like 4 times the size of what we had before, man. It's crazy. It's awesome. It's a new beginning.
These 2 new factories, it's like there's no telling where we're gonna go with this. You know, this is just the beginning.
Like in everything in life, you have highs and lows. My boys have been high and low, but it always comes to the end of being brothers, and brothers love each other.
Okay, so the workflow starts down here. Let's pretend we're a piece of PVC.